Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're looking at the Metcalfe Settle Carlisle Railway Station Master's House. Hopefully I have pronounced the railway name correctly, but we'll just go with that for now. Yeah, it's a rather nice looking house. It has got some very nice red, I don't want to say highlights, but some really nice colouring to the house, which does make it stand out quite nicely. And there is actually a range of these buildings which do look nice together. Anyway, we'll put the packaging over there. Packaging is also quite nice. In fact, it's small, compact. You can store it somewhere quite nicely out of the way. Anyway, let's look at the instructions. It doesn't actually seem to be that complicated because it's only got about 14 steps. Mostly just to finish off adding the ridge details. And yeah, here's all the other buildings. So we've got the house here, and we've got the station building, platform shelter, and workers' cottages, which I have done previously. But yeah, doesn't look to be too complicated. And obviously the first 5 steps are just dismantling the, all the pieces. Anyway, let's go through the checklist. So we've got sheet A and sheet B for the printed walls. So that is these two. Some of the windows have already started falling out, but that just saves me some time. I'll pop you over there. And the glazing sheet, which is just here. Not too many windows, which is good for me because I don't like cutting out too many. And we've got the laser cut, the red laser cut sheet, L1, which is this one. Looks like the laser got a little bit too vigorous there, but that shouldn't be too bad. So I'll pop you there. We've got the cream laser cut sheet, which is L2, which is this one. This is just the roof, well, I don't want to say roof detail, the under roof detail, just for the ends. Pop you there as well. The light grey laser cut sheet, which is just the ridge details. And then the instruction booklet. And it seems, oh wait, and the dark grey laser cut one, which is that one. This is the light grey backing one. Yeah, getting them slightly mixed up. So this is the main structure of the building. And we'll just go through all the pieces which we need to put it together. And another bit of cardboard falling off. There we go. Right, tools that we need. So we need a modeller's knife. I'm using a box cutter, which is always quite nice. A pair of sharp scissors, which are not quite sharp, but they'll do. Watercolour paint, which I always skip because I don't bother with that. Glue, I'm using my UHC glue here. Ultra fine tip glue applicator, which I don't have because I use fingers. A cutting surface, which I've got my nice new one. A pair of fine point tweezers, here we go. And a magnifying glass on a stand is helpful for fitting tiny components, which I don't have. But I do have some bulldog clips, which are also very helpful. And yeah, it just goes through the building process. Well, it typically goes with dismantling all the pieces from the printed sheets, but I like to keep them on there because it keeps them out of the way, really. So that's how it starts off. Also glazing all the windows, which I do separately. So yeah, this is just 1 through 6 is just explaining how to put things together. So it actually starts off building the building at step 7. So this is mainly, it looks like it's not too difficult to build. Yeah. So it's building the structure out of the cardboard, but the support structure first. Then just fitting the outside with the laser cut, with the actual printed, the actual, trying to think of the words now. Fitting the outside skin of the building onto the grey cardboard, and then just adding all the bits from there, adding details, finally the roof, adding details some more, adding chimneys. I'll do these chimney pots afterwards because they're always complicated. Then finishing off with even more details, and then pretty much finishing off there. So yeah, first 7 steps. the first 6 steps are basically just removing bits from here and getting everything all sorted. So yeah, I'll start getting to work on that. So I'll just pop you over here. I may get some pins just to hold it out of the way. But yeah, I don't think it will take me too long. My usual time is about an hour and a half, but I reckon this will probably take you just about an hour. So yeah, first thing I'm going to do first is get out all these window frames. So, well, not window frames, the windows. So I'll just go like that, just to get them all out. And then I can get to work putting it all together. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, and one thing which I always do forget to mention, pencil does help when marking out, well, all the pieces. So I'll just go through all of these one by one and just write down which one they are. So that's G7, and that's G1, G9, and continue on with that. So yeah, I'll quickly do that, then I'll start putting it all together. So see you in a bit. Well, here we are, the finished model. I'm quite happy with how it looks like. Let's see which bits were a bit awkward. Not too many really. The windowsills are a little bit fiddly, and probably the what was it? The decoration on top of the roof ridges. That's wasn't quite fiddly, but just trying to get it so it doesn't flop over, which was an awkward bit. But yeah, nothing too fiddly. Only took about just over an hour. Probably taking me a bit less if I read the instructions properly and didn't miss a few bits, but yeah, I did manage to sort them out in the end. Yeah, also I do need to clean up some of the glue marks, but that's not too bad. Yeah, one bit which I did miss was, well, nearly missed, was adding some of the bits to the lean-to over here. Just the extra door buffer and also the floor. I forgot to add. But it is all added now, and managed to carefully pull them apart and stick them all back together. Yeah, very happy with it. And I do like the red lining around the window. It does look very nice. Very happy. Let's see, how much did this kit cost me? I have to go to Sheffield because that's where I got it from. Diddly-doo. And I'm being messaged everywhere. Right. Don't think it cost me too much. I think it was only £11, £10. Let me have a quick look. Nearly there. I should have looked this up beforehand, but never mind. Let's see. Ah, there it is. Yeah, £10, £10.95. So £11. Not too bad. Nice day. Only took about just over an hour. So yeah, not too bad. And they do have a range of the Settle and Carlisle Railway themed well, models. We go with this one because the next one, which I'm going to have a go at, is the station building one. Let me see how much. Yeah, the station one. It does cost a bit more, but yeah, I'll have to have a go at that one next. Yeah, do like the look of these. Even though it's not southern, but it still looks nice. Very happy. Anyway, that's going to be it for me. So do let me know what you think of the build down below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think, well, obviously I could have done it better because I did do this a bit quickly, but yeah, let me know what you think down below. If you do like the video, feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye-bye. Let's wait for another nice shot of it. It'll take a little while. There we go. There we go. Do you like that shot? Take care now.